Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really super excited you're here, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that you make sure you get all the tips and tricks on how to handle your hot tub, and by all means shoot me a thumbs up. It absolutely helps out a lot, and I really appreciate that. Today's video is how to clean a Tri-X filter. I kind of touched on that on another video that I did, and I'll link that up here so you can check it out. But if you have the Hot Springs Tri-X filter, the porcelain filters, you can actually put those in the dishwasher. So welcome to my kitchen. I'm thrilled to have you here, but I've actually already done one cycle of the filters. So we just we open this up and we pull these out. And again, these are the Tri-X filters. These are the porcelain filters. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put those in there and you're gonna run them one cycle this way. And then we're gonna actually flip this over, just like so. I mean, can you guys see where the dishwasher really cleaned that stuff out? I mean, it's just amazing. Flip that over, and then we're gonna do the same with the other side. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna close that up. And then here's the really important piece of this. You absolutely cannot have the dry cycle go, and you absolutely do not want any soap in the dishwasher when you do this. So if you do soap, you're going to be draining your hot tub probably 3 times before you get it cleaned up. And if you do heat, you can melt the filters. But to do that, if you want to come over here, what you're going to do is you're going to turn your dishwasher on. You want just a regular cycle. You want to turn heated, dry, turn your high temperature off and your heated dry off. Every dishwasher is a little different, but make sure you have those turned off, and then you just start the dishwasher, run it twice, and you're good to go. So we'll come back when that's done, and I'll show you guys what to do next. So we're back. This dishwasher has run now 2 cycles. Really important that you do it 2 cycles. And something that I really need to mention, this is great. I probably do this 10 months out of the year. I'll actually use the dishwasher about 10 months out of the year. There are 2 times a year that I do actually want to pull the filters out, take a garden hose them out really good, and actually use a degreaser of some sort. Either the Pleatco filter tabs or the BioGuard filter cleaner or something like that, but you definitely want to chemically clean them at least twice a year. But most of the time, especially in the winter months here in South Dakota, it's really important. I can just throw those Tri-X filters in the dishwasher, and it is a huge benefit, especially when it's below freezing. But we're just gonna open this up, and now you can take your filter lid. This is a great tool to get these from A to B. We're just gonna take all these filters out and pile them up. And we're gonna take these out, we're gonna go put them in the dishwasher, we're gonna go put them in the hot tub, and we're gonna be good to go for another month. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Be more than happy to help you out. Again, a Hot Springs Tri-X filter can go in the dishwasher. It's a great benefit and an awesome feature. And if you have anything at all, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to keep making life epic.